Pills or produce? One of them heals. The other just masks symptoms. Headaches? A banana can work as natural pain relief. Sore throat? A spoon of honey soothes better than syrup. Toothache? Cloves, nature's painkiller. Constipation? An apple's gentle fiber beats harsh laxatives. Dry hair? Salmon's healthy fats restore shine. Feeling drained? Oranges give real energy, no crash. Low blood sugar? Dates give steady fuel. Trouble sleeping? Kiwi naturally boosts sleep. Brittle hair? Bell peppers pack vitamin C for strength. Bloated? Yogurt's probiotics calm your gut. Would you take these natural cures instead of meds? Comment below what you choose.